Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing allopurinol, which is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor used to treat gout. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN Pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on allopurinol so you can follow along with me. Gout is a type of inflammatory arthritis that causes severe joint pain, swelling, and redness. It commonly affects the big toe as shown here. Gout is caused by hyperuricemia, or elevated levels of uric acid in the bloodstream, which leads to the formation of needle-like crystals in the joints. When it comes to treating gout with medications, colchicine, which I covered in a separate video, is used to treat acute gout attacks. Allopurinol, on the other hand, is used for chronic gout. So it is used as a long-term daily medication to prevent future gout attacks. In terms of mode of action, allopurinol works by inhibiting uric acid production. It does this by inhibiting an enzyme called xanthine oxidase, which prevents the conversion of purines into uric acid. But honestly, the main thing you need to know for nursing school is that allopurinol lowers uric acid levels in the body. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication and what it does is to think allopurinol helps you purify and get rid of all that uric acid. Side effects of allopurinol include gastrointestinal issues such as nausea and vomiting. In rare cases, an individual can have a life-threatening hypersensitivity reaction to the medication, which may cause a very severe skin rash, such as Stevens-Johnson syndrome, hepatotoxicity, which means liver damage, and nephrotoxicity or kidney damage. In terms of nursing care, it's important to monitor your patient's uric acid levels throughout therapy, as well as their liver and kidney function. In terms of patient teaching, you should advise your patient that it can take several weeks or longer until they notice an improvement in symptoms, and that gout flare-ups may actually increase during the first few months of therapy. You should also advise your patient to increase their intake of fluids to prevent kidney stone formation, and that they should report any signs of a hypersensitivity reaction to the provider immediately, such as the development of a rash. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1, is allopurinol used to treat an acute gout attack or chronic gout? The answer is chronic gout. Colchicine is a different gout medication that is used to treat an acute gout attack. Question number 2, after initiating therapy with allopurinol, how quickly will a patient experience an improvement in symptoms? The answer is it can take several weeks or more. And question number 3, while taking allopurinol, why should a rash be reported to the provider? The answer is it could be a sign that the patient is having a hypersensitivity reaction, which can be life-threatening. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care and good luck with study. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.